Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips. These are YouTube's best gardeners. No particular order, I'm going to start out with a group called Similar Climate of mine. Again, in no particular order, the Ripe Tomato Farms out in Western Canada, very similar climate, and I love the Garden Quickies. Really exciting, lots of energy. James Prigioni in Jersey. He's just really fun, and Tucker is the best gardener. The Rusted Garden, next up. Great content and also similar to my climate. These next two, the Pepper Geek and Geeky Greenhouse, same couple, similar area, very close to me. Next group I'll call Gardening Knowledge. This group, Epic Gardening out on the West Coast, San Diego area, a lot of knowledge. His very close friend Jacques in the garden, those two are great together. And the third in this group is Gardener Scott out in Colorado. Lots of good knowledge there. Next bunch I call Inspirational Gardeners. Not at all like mine. Some ways there are. Hugh Richards, great English garden, beautiful gardens, a lot of knowledge, and not at all similar climate, but truly inspirational gardening. Also, Nile Gardens, similar in the UK, beautiful stuff, great knowledge, but not similar to my climate. I still get a lot of information from them. And then MI Gardener, anybody online on YouTube knows MI Gardener. I get a lot of my seeds from them, about 2/3 of my seeds, and also similar knowledge and great inspiration. Next and last are actually my two very favorite gardeners. Red Gardens, I can't say enough about him. They do some great work. They do a lot more scientific study. They do a lot more testing, growing, comparing varieties. Have to follow. These are a must follow. Red Gardens, a great follow on YouTube. And I would be remiss without mentioning my absolute favorite. I've known him forever, and that's my own gardening channel. I hope you do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.